Today we're going to paint these old calipers bright yellow, but we're going to try to make it as easy as possible. First, you'll remove the tire. Then there's usually 2 bolts that hold the caliper to the brake disc. Then you'll remove the brake pads and hardware, and the guy that painted these before didn't remove the pads. Once you remove the hardware and pads, you can set it like this and start to work on it. You'll want to make sure that you hang the caliper to take the pressure or the stress off the rubber brake hose. Anything that you don't want painted, like the pistons or the rubber seals or anything else for that matter, you can mask off. And we're using some 1.5 inch masking tape from Q1. Here's a close-up shot of that tape, and again it's Q1 and it works just as well as 3M. We'll be using a speed blaster to clean this caliper up, but you can use a wire brush, sandpaper, or even a scuff pad. We'll be using Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer and Krylon Farm and Implement yellow paint. You can use caliper paint that's heat resistant if you want, but I think we'll be okay with this. And we'll just wipe it down real quick with some rubbing alcohol. You can use wax and grease remover, or if you don't have that, you can use rubbing alcohol. Just one light coat of primer will work just fine. We'll let this dry for about a half hour, then come back and paint it. We'll paint the other 3, pull it outside, and see what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on painting calipers. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.